We have a very unique question here. We are required to convert 123.122 in base 4 to base 10. So let's do the conversion. Here is the solution. Let us bring down the question. We have 123.122 base 4 to be converted to base what? 10. Take a look at this. This is a decimal fraction in base 4 to be converted to base 10. 123 is the whole number, while 0.122 is the fractional part. We are going to convert the whole number and then proceed into the fractional part, each of them to base 10. To convert a number to base 10, you use the base, in this case 4, to multiply each of the digits raised to the power of the remaining digit. For instance, the first digit here is 1. So we say 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 2 because only 2 digits are left after 1. Next, we say 2 multiplied by 4 raised to power 1. Now, this is how it is done. Let us start. The first digit here is 1. So we say 1 multiplied by the base, which is 4, raised to power what? 2. Plus the next digit is 2. Then we have 2 multiplied the base, which is 4, raised to the power of 1. Then plus the last digit is 3. We have 3 multiplied 4 raised to power what? 0. Because after 3, there is no more digit in the whole number. Hence, we have raised to power 0. Then plus, at this point, we are moving now into the fractional part. So as you are converting the fractional part, use the base to multiply the first digit raised to power negative 1. Then multiply the second digit raised to power negative 2. Multiply the third digit raised to power negative 3 continuously till you get to the last digit. So this way, 1 multiply 4 raised to power negative 1 plus next digit is 2 multiply 4 raised to the power of negative 2, and the last digit is also 2. So we have 2 multiply 4 raised to power negative 3. We can now start simplifying them one after the other. 4 squared is 16, multiply 1 is 16, plus here 2 times 4 is 8, plus 4 raised to power 0 is 1, 1 multiply 3 is 3. Then plus, then take note of this, we have 1 multiply 4 raised to power negative 1, the same thing as 1 over 4. Then plus 2 multiply 1 over 4 raised to the power of 2, plus 2 multiply 1 over 4 raised to the power of what? 3. Let me explain. Whenever you have a negative exponent, the minus sign simply means 1 all over. So by the time you write 1 all over, what is left is what? 4 raised to power 3. Similarly, this minus sign means 1 all over, and what is left is what? 4 raised to power 2. And likewise, minus sign means 1 all over, and what is left is 1 raised to power 1, which is the same thing as 4. Do you get it? Now let's continue. 16 plus 8 plus 3 is what? 27. Then plus, at this point we are going to put this in bracket because we have to simplify this separately. Now 1 multiply 1 is 1 all over 4. Then plus 2 multiply 1, and here we have 2 all over 4 raised to power 2, which is 16, plus 2 multiply 1, which is also 2 all over 4 raised to power 3, which is 64. Close our bracket. So we have 27 plus, now we are going to simplify each of the fraction to its simplest form. We come to the first one. 1 over 4 is the simplest form here, so we write 1 over 4 plus here 2 here 1, 2 here is 8, so we come here to write 1 over 8 plus 2 here 1, 2 here is 32, so we write 1 over what? 32. We close our bracket. Now each of the fractions are now in their simplest form. Here we have 27 plus, let us look for the LCM here because we need to simplify what is inside the bracket. The LCM here is 32 because 32 can divide 32, 8 can also divide 32, and 4 can divide 32. So the LCM is 32. Now the LCM, which is 32, divided by 4 is 8. Use the 8 to multiply 1 and we have it as 8, plus 32 divided by 8 is 4. Use the 4 to multiply 1, you have what? 4. Then plus 32 divide 32 is 1. Use the 1 to multiply this one, it gives you 1, close bracket. Now we have 27 plus, when you sum up the numerator together, it gives you what? This plus this plus this gives you 13 all over 32. And what we have here is 27 plus, by the time you divide this, it gives you 0.41. Then adding this together, our answer becomes 27.41 in base 10. So we can say, therefore, 123.122 in base 4 is equal to 27.41 in base 10. This is the answer. Thank you very much for watching.